Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this beautiful look right here. Now I think wedding season has started and we all need some unique, glamorous yet simple to do looks. So this is something you can definitely try, as I've broken down this look into really simple steps. Also I've used a lot of new drugstore affordable makeup products. So make sure you watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn those bells on. And now let's just dive into the tutorial. I'm going to directly start with the Nykaa's Prep Me Up Face Primer, as I've already moisturized my face. And this primer actually helps in blurring out your pores, gives you that extra glow, and also makes your makeup really long lasting. So it is really important to use a face primer. Next, using the WetnWild concealer, I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Now I'm using this before my foundation as I really need some extra coverage. As you can clearly see, I've got a lot of dark circles and so many dark spots and a lot of other things happening on my face. Also applying it on the bridge of my nose to get that extra sharp chiseled nose. Now using the Plum's Face Mist, I'm going to damp the sponge and then blending my concealer. Now if you use a dry sponge, it will soak in your product instead of blending it in your skin. So make sure you use a damp sponge to blend in any of your product, whether it be a concealer or even a foundation. Now using the WetnWild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Desert Beige. I've actually done a full review on this product, which I will link it in for you guys, so make sure you watch that video as well. Now using this spatula itself, I'm going to apply it all over my face, and then again using a damp sponge, I'm going to blend this foundation in a dabbing motion. Make sure you use a dabbing motion and not drag your product to get that flawless finish. Using the Maybelline New York's lip balm, I'm going to hydrate my lips. And now using the WetnWild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. Using this lighter shade, I'm going to apply this under my eyes to set in the entire concealer and to also get those extra brighten under eyes and to avoid those harsh lines. Now using the Nykaa's Brow Gold Brow Definer, I'm going to brush my brows into one outward direction and then fill in my brows using small strokes of the product. Now I'm going to use this concealer hack, just applying it on the brow bone and above the eyebrows. I'm using this hack to get those perfectly shaped eyebrows, which you will see in a bit. Now blending this with my finger itself in again a dabbing motion. Now this hack is really useful if you haven't got your eyebrows done and you need those perfectly defined eyebrows. As you can see what a major difference it makes. No one can ever tell that I haven't got my eyebrows done for months now. Next, dusting off the excess powder using this big brush. Now using the same contouring palette, I'm going to contour my face. Now If you have got a really fat face, a chubby face, and you want to look slimmer, this contouring trick will really help. But I'm not contouring much today as I don't think it is required, but if you need it, this trick will really be helpful. And now applying some blush on the apples of my cheeks. And now moving on to my eyes, I'm gonna apply a pink orangish shade on my eyes, and then using the Nykaa's Black Magic Gel eyeliner, I'm gonna apply a winged eyeliner. Now again, I have done a complete dedicated video on this product, so I will link it in for you guys. Make sure you watch that as well. Now if you don't know how to apply a wing liner, make sure you watch this really carefully, as this is the easiest way possible to apply a winged eyeliner. Next, using a blue kajal, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. And then using a similar blue eyeshadow, I'm going to smudge that kajal. And then just below that smudged kajal, I'm going to apply a lighter blue eyeshadow. Make sure you use different shades of blue. And then again, using the concealer, I'm going to apply it just below that lighter blue shade, just to get that proper defined eyes. Now using the Nykaa's lipstick in the shade Boho to add some color to my lips. Now I'm going to apply the Nykaa's false lashes. So it's time for the most important part of this look and my most favorite part, highlighter. It's as always the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, New York. And I'm going to drown myself in highlighter today because I just feel like glowing and glowing and glowing. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to comment your feedback in the comment section below, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn those bells on.